Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we save you from making dumb purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the Heygelo S90, the drone that's so affordable, it might be cheaper than your last pizza order. And on the right, we've got the ATTOP Drone, which costs a bit more but promises to make you feel like Spielberg in the skies. Let's dive in and see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about cameras. The Heygelo S90 comes with a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. Reviewers have noted that while the camera quality is decent for casual use, it may not be the best for capturing very detailed images. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone features a 2K 120 degrees FPV camera, which offers significantly better image quality. According to reviews, the 2K resolution is a game changer for those looking to capture high-quality footage. Next, let's dive into the features. The Heygelo S90 is packed with functionalities like remote, APP, voice, and gravity controls. It can perform 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and circle flights. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, especially given its price point. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone also impresses with features such as voice controls, gesture recognition, and a route drawing function. Additionally, it is VR compatible, which reviewers say adds an extra layer of fun and immersion. When it comes to flight stability and ease of use, the Heygelo S90 includes altitude hold and propeller guards, making it a friendly option for beginners. Reviewers note that it's particularly suitable for kids and first-time flyers. The ATTOP drone, however, boasts one key takeoff and landing as well as one key return features, which reviewers find incredibly useful for avoiding mishaps. It also has an emergency stop feature, adding an extra layer of safety. Finally, let's discuss battery life and portability. The Heygelo S90 comes with two modular batteries that offer up to 26 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love its foldable design, which makes it easy to carry around. The ATTOP drone also includes two rechargeable batteries, but provides a slightly shorter flight time of 20 minutes. It comes with a carrying case, which reviewers appreciate for its convenience and style. Overall, the Heygelo S90 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and range of features, making it a great entry-level drone for beginners. The ATTOP drone, while slightly more expensive, is lauded for its superior camera quality and additional features that offer a more immersive flying experience. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode. And let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick, or if you've ever accidentally flown one into a tree. See you next time, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.